Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about the isSafeInteger method. So that's part of the number object. So what this method determines that is that the provided value. You need to pass a value. So the is safe integer or not. So if I directly do that, it's not gonna came as good. So what I'm gonna do is create a function and then after do that though. So function one, yeah, it will be one, is that, and inside that what we're gonna do is create if and pass number dot is safe integer, and it gonna return you as that. So x, and then what we're gonna do inside that, return play session safe. Then what we're gonna do is return, if it's not, return season is lost. When we're done with that, now what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use the one. Oh man, what the heck, not console.one, just one, the function I created. So inside that, what I'm gonna do is math dot pow. Those who don't know, it's math object has a property called math.pow. If you don't know, just check it out. It's not a big deal. I have a video about that. So what we're gonna do is 53, and you're gonna say person is lost, and if we pass something like mathpow -1, you're gonna say is safe. So this is what it does. You're gonna check that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.